Hello everybody, this is Myung. This is Christmas season. Many people are busy buying presents and food shopping. It's the same in Korea, not for Christmas but for Chinese New Year or Chuseok, which is Korean Thanksgiving Day. We make loads of food. Today I'm going to bake nut roast, vegan nut roast. My nut roast is slightly crumbly and super tasty. With well-served ingredients all together make it protein rich and very healthy. Okay, let's start. These are the ingredients for nut roast. So lots of nuts like hazelnut, pecan. I use pecan, so pecan and the chestnut. This is already cooked, and this red lentil and quinoa. When I cooked quinoa, I cooked with red lentil, and the texture goes quite well. And of course, this pumpkin, I will use half of this pumpkin, and also use this mushroom, portobello mushroom, and I will cook this separately with leek and some herbs like oregano and mixed herb with liquid amino, and this is balsamic vinegar, and I cook with coconut oil, and they taste really good. So I really recommend you to cook that way, because then somebody who don't like mushrooms, they love it. So that's my way of cooking this portobello mushroom or any mushroom. Instead of egg, I will use this chia seed. This is a ground chia seed, 3 cloves garlic and celery. That's it. Okay, let's start. First, I will quick rinse this red lentil and quinoa. This is I think it's 1 cup will be okay, not 2 cups. 1 cup of red lentil and half cup of quinoa. Yeah, I think this will be enough. I rinse this lentil and quinoa, and I'm going to add a pinch of sea salt. This is a Himalayan salt. And then cook it until it's all soft and tender. It takes about 20 minutes. So I will cook this mushroom first. The lentil and quinoa is cooking now. So I will chop not that thin, but thinner than I normally do. Like this. Mushrooms are anti-cancer stuff, so eat every day would be good. Okay, now chopping this leek. This is a half leek. Just cut like this, and then another length. And then this one still can hold it, so easy to chop it. If you don't have a leek, you can use onion. Somehow I found leek and this mushroom works very well, so I'm using this quite a lot at the moment. Really tasty. 1 tablespoon liquid amino acid. This is like a soy sauce. You can use soy sauce instead. This tastes really good. I recommend you to use this one. This is gluten-free, contains no preservatives. Very good quality. I really like it. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. This is 1 teaspoon mixed herb and 1 teaspoon oregano. And then cook it until it's all soft. So for this chia seed, I add water, just covers the water. When it's all soaked, it will be really, like already you can see it's quite thick already, yeah? I think I need a little bit more water. Now it's chopping time. So I ordered a pumpkin, and this week I've got the green one, green kabocha. He sliced into like 1 centimeter, like that. This is nice sweet and nutty flavor. Usually I grate the garlic, but today I will crush the garlic. Like this. Very good. Now chop the celery. And I will add a pinch of salt. Okay, let's cook. So tablespoon coconut oil. This smells yummy, really, really nice. This coconut oil is purified and neutral flavor, so it's not strong not coconut flavor, so it is good for cooking. I can smell of garlic. Yes, so it's halfway through to cook, so I will stop now. I'm going to mix all this together. So here is cooked mushroom and leek, cooked quinoa and this lentil. So 50 gram hazelnut and 50 gram, this is a pecan nut. I squashed this hazelnut but halved this pecan. So adding all this. It's going to be really good. Instead of lemon, I will use clementine. Quite juicy. This is a half tablespoon cayenne pepper. This is Sri Lankan cinnamon powder and pinch of nutmeg. This is the chia seed. Cranberries. I will add a little bit more clementine. So now I'm adding this cooked chestnut. So it's all done. So I'm adding into the oven dish. So I will add a little bit of sherry. This is going to be nutty nut roast. Okay, let's bake it. Look at this. So all done. So I will cool it down and eat with kale salad. Okay, it's okay. What do you think?
This is very nice, very sweet, that nut roast.
Nut roast sweet, because I think because of the pumpkin.
Yeah, it's got quite a veggie taste as well. That's with the all the other veg you've put in, I think.
The celery.
Yeah, maybe.
And the maybe the
mushrooms. Very nice. Nice texture.
And the cranberry bit slightly tarty.
Cranberries are great, yeah.
Cranberry break sweetness.
Yes, they gave it a little kick. The salad's a bit savoury, a bit vinegar. Not, you know, you can taste the vinegar, and that's good. It takes off the sweetness from the nut roast.
Yeah, I'm glad you like it. This is lovely. Hope you enjoy my recipe. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and happy, and see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.